you doing here at the park?
Hi, Molly. I'm just playing football.
Oh, that's cool. I like football too, but I'm not very good at it. Can you play well?
Yes, I can. I can run fast and kick the ball really hard. I can also do tricks with the ball. Do you want to see?
Wow, yes. Show me.
See, I've been practicing a lot.
That's amazing, Ollie. I can't do that, but I can ride my bike really well.
Oh, that's great. I can ride a bike too, but only on flat streets. Can you ride uphill?
Yes, I can. My dad taught me last summer.
Really? That's so cool. I wish I could do that.
Don't worry. I can teach you if you want.
Thanks. That would be fun. Hey, can you swim?
Yes, I love swimming. I can swim very fast, and I can dive too.
I can swim, but not very well. I'm scared to dive.
It's okay. I was scared too, but now I'm not.
I can skateboard. I learned last month.
Really? That's so cool. I've never tried. Is it difficult?
At first, yes. I fell a lot, but now I can balance and even do a little jump.
That's awesome. Maybe you can teach me one day.
Sure, we can help each other. I'll teach you how to skateboard, and you can teach me to ride uphill.
Deal! Oh, and I can play the piano too. I started lessons last year.
Wow, you're really good at many things. I can't play any instrument.
It's okay. Everyone is good at something. What else can you do?
I can climb trees. I love climbing.
Really? I've never tried. Maybe you can show me someday.
Of course, it's so fun. We can do lots of things together.
Yes, now I know we both can do many cool things.
Me too. Let's play together more often.
Deal! See you tomorrow, Ollie.
See you, Molly.